what to do when you want to update your lag. This is a tesa onity. If you want to update, but when you got your programmer and you connect your programmer to the lag and it says cannot connect to the door, okay, we connect the machine, we turn it on, we try to test. It says connect to the door, and you just don't get connection because this part right here sometimes get damaged. You can clean it, sometimes it works if you clean it with some kind of like a small brush or something, a little screwdriver. But if it doesn't work, what you have to do, you have to replace this part. It's like a small board. Right here I have another old lag. This one has a bad switch and a card reader. I switched this one, the card reader wasn't working, so I switched this one right here, the card reader, I switch it to this board. Well, right now it's not reading. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch this board right here. So what you're gonna do is, it's gonna be 6 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6 right here. You're gonna take those screws out and you're gonna take this cover out, okay? I'm gonna take this cover, and then it's only one screw right here that you have to take this screw out. It's hard to do with one hand. I'm going to place my camera right here so I can show you. Perfect. Okay, right here, this screw right here is only one. Okay, you're gonna take this screw, don't lose the screw because you're gonna use it on the other one, and then you can lift this little board right here. You have to unplug it right here. Just unplug this orange thing. Okay, once it's unplugged, just move it right here out of this one, and then just lift her up. That's it. This is the battery compartment. Right here goes the batteries. If your battery thing is not working, sometimes they get really dirty right here too. You can use some kind of brush to clean these things right here too, because they get corrosion. They just clean it and then the battery sometimes it won't work. I'm gonna clean this one, and then we're going to put it back. We're gonna put it back into this new lag. This is a good lag, but I cannot connect to the lag to update or to initialize or anything. So I'm going to switch this little board right here to this one. We're going to remove the batteries. Okay, this one is not good anymore. We're going to remove the batteries so we can switch. Okay, now this is the one that we're going to switch this new board, because this other one is not working, it's not connecting. You can see right here, these are outside doors. Sometimes they get wet or something, some kind of corrosion. Okay, like I say, it's only 6 screws. We're gonna remove all 6. It's really easy. This lag is good, but I cannot connect. I cannot update or initialize or anything, because my programmer won't connect to this lag. So I'm going to change this part, because the other one I connect, but the switch is not working, and it's easier to change that. Sometimes if you have lags, don't throw them away. Sometimes you can use them. No, it's not this. It's not the ones on the side. These are the ones in the middle. The ones on the side are to change the card reader. So just take this other one. It's 6 of them. If you have a lag that it's all and you're having some problems, do not throw it away. You can use many parts from these things. Some things might not work. Sometimes you have one like that switch doesn't work, but the reader is still working, and then you can just make one from two. Okay, then just take this one, take this out. You're gonna see this white cover. Just take it out, and right here is the screw. It's only one screw. Okay, we get this one. We are going to disconnect the orange wire. It's very small. If you have some kind of pliers, it's gonna be easier. It's not just with your nails. Okay, and just move it out and lift it, wiggle it a little bit out. That's it. It's out. This is the old one. This is not working. I cannot connect anymore, so throw the shit away. This is the new one. Same way. Yeah, we can just clean it. And you have to insert this part right here, the part where you connect your pre-programmer. You're gonna insert inside the hole first. Once it's inserted, just push it down. There you go. It's in place. Then just rewire your thing. Just hide these things right here on the back. It was coming this way, and just connect again your wire. There you go. We're going to put the screw to hold it in place. There you go. Okay, I'm going to put this first. I'm going to test if this is working. I'm going to put the batteries back again. Four batteries. Make sure it's all inside. I got my programmer. I connect. Okay, test. Okay, after switching, this right here, the battery compartment board, what I find out is that the problem, it was not this piece right here. This is my old lack. I know that the switch is bad right here, and I already took the reader. But when I switch this right here, the battery board, I already moved it this way, still not working. So now what I found out with the problem, then I switch back to this one and I connect the machine and it's reading. So the problem now is going to be this motherboard right here is bad. So I'm going to replace it with this motherboard. Remember, this right here with the handle is the one that works, but the motherboard is bad. I cannot connect to the light. This one is the old light. It has a bad switch. I already used the reader. I switch it to other lag. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch the motherboard. This one right here is a good one. This one right here is not good. Looks like it's the same. Made in Spain. This one is the same, made in Spain. Sometimes they're different. Some of them are made in China. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. I'm gonna change the motherboard. So this is the good motherboard. This is the bad motherboard. Okay. All right. These are all my screws from the cover. Okay, this one only has one screw right here, and this right here connects right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you when I connect the other one. Okay, right now I'm just gonna take this one. There's only one screw holding this motherboard right here. So we're gonna take this screw right here, right in the middle. Is the only one. There is no other one. Okay, once it's all out, you have to be careful with this spring right here. There is a spring, the one that moves the mechanism. Okay, once you get this out, just put it on the side. So this is the bad one. Okay, now we're gonna take this one. This is the one, the good motherboard. This is the main motherboard. So that's what I'm telling you guys. Do not throw your lags away. Sometimes you can use it for parts. Okay, I got that one. I'm just going to take this out. Okay, just be careful. Do not lose this spring. You're gonna use it. All right. And we're gonna move this one back in here. All you have to do is put it back, and your spring, it has to go inside this right here. There's like a little place for this one, but when you put this mother back right here, you have to pull this handle down, because there is a piece right there. There you go. Pull this down, and then your motherboard is going to drop all the way down. If you don't pull the handle, it's not going to be perfect situated. Okay, just put this back right here, and then make sure your spring, you have to make sure you put your spring. Once you put it in place, you can let go. Okay, but the problem is right here, this is spring. Oh my god, it's a pain in the ass to put it back inside where it goes. Okay, come on. That is the harder part, the freaking spring. You have to put the spring right inside this thing again. Just lift, there you go. There you go. Now I got my spring back. Just put your finger inside, your thumb, and don't let it go. And then just pull the handle and put this in place. Okay, I'm gonna take this all the way out because okay. Okay, looks like it's in place. Okay, perfect. Now everything is perfect. Once it's in place, just put your screw back over there. Just keep holding the spring with your thumb. There you go. Everything is good. Now you're gonna pull these ones out. Okay, you're gonna pull these things out. So you are going to put this ribbon right here. Just put it inside. There's going to be some little things right there to hook, and then just pull them down at the same time. There you go. You're gonna hear click. Perfect. Okay, now it's inside. We are going to connect our orange wire. There you go. Connect our wire. We're going to put our metal back. Okay, just put it back. Do not tighten it up or anything. Okay, we already got the batteries inside. Just move your handle, make sure everything works. Where's my master key now? Okay, it's alive. Everything is working fine. Now we're going to connect. This is trash now. Let's see again. Let's try again. We're going to connect to the lock. We're going to test. Bingo! Now we can read and update. Now we put the menu. We can. Now you can see you're connected to the door. Battery's okay. Switch test. Switch test is you test. You make sure your card switch is working. Put it in. It's gonna say card switch. I mean it's working. And then pull your switch up and down. It's gonna say handle switch, okay. Handle switch, okay. That's good. And then from here, if you already have a door that are going to, you need to change the lock, just go to initialize. And then right here, I'm gonna put okay. And then you can, it's gonna ask you what room number. And then right here, you can choose any room number you need, okay? And then just click. Once you know the name or the number of your door, just click the TX, the green button, and boom, just change the lock inside inside your room, and you are ready to go. And that's how you do it. Now we just put all the screws back, and we are good to go. And that, my friends, is how you fix a lock. Easy. You don't need to be a technician or anything. Just patience. This, what it takes is patience. Just put the screws back. Right there is the old lock. I already took the motherboard, everything. So this is just the pretty much the box. The switch is bad, so that's kind of difficult to switch. I've seen some videos, but it's kind of hard. I have never tried to do it. Maybe you can order one. Okay, right here you can see the part number. This is the old one. This is the main motherboard. This was bad. So piece of junk. Those are the two parts I switched for this one, and it's working good now. So good luck. Give me a thumbs up and share, because these things are expensive. If you want to buy a new one, it's better to just fix it. Bye.